Hi guys, how y'all doing? It is 10:02 on Monday, August, what is it, the 13th? I am headed to the gym to meet with my dad and the trainer. Yep. Alright, so a little disappointed that I never got a bike ride in or a second workout at the gym last week, but whatever. You know, I'll get there eventually. So, doing that, and I have my packages over here beside me that I'm going to take to the post office after my workout. Guys, if you did not get your package, you know who you are. I apologize. I don't know. I'm so terrible about that. Procrastinate. So, like, that's why they're in the car, because I was gonna say, well, see, because I'm running late. Well, I'm not really running late. I'm right on time, but Dad doesn't like it when I'm late, so I don't have time to go to the post office. So I'm like, I'll just do it when I come back. But then I know I will get involved in something and that won't happen, so, or I won't feel like it after going to the gym today. I'm actually not feeling like going to the gym today. I almost swimped out. Yeah. I'm like, no. Shall go. So I got a banana and a granola bar. I didn't eat breakfast yet. I kind of have a little bit of a headache. I think that's from lack of water, so y'all get on to me, make sure I drink my water. Yeah, so, yeah, I might go see my mom today, like, after I come back from the gym, take a shower and everything like that, and, I might go see my mom today. I bought her a new pair of slippers. My sister bought her some new clothes, so I might bring those to her. No, I didn't really do any chores yesterday like I had planned. Hubby and I just were lazy. That trip wore him out, and we just hung out, and we finished watching the last episode of season 2 of Sneaky Pete. We're done, and apparently the new season doesn't come out until next year. We really like that. If you haven't checked that out, it's Karina from Life's Little Things recommended it, and it's I believe that's who recommended it. Pretty sure. And it's on Amazon Prime. You know, we have Amazon Prime, so you get free movies. So we finished watching that, and I recommend it. It was really good. I think we watched 4 episodes last night. Yeah. Did we watch 4? Oh my god, that was ridiculousness. Yeah, we did. I think we did. Alright, so headed to the gym. See how the workout goes today. I'm just not feeling it. Oh my god, it's freaking hot. The car only says 87, but the inside is pretty hot. So, oh my god, so that was a nutso workout. He worked us hard. So we did legs today, and we didn't do, you know, machines. I don't think he's doing that anymore. I think he's just he just wanted to show us how to use the machines so we can do that on our own. So now he's working us in, they have like a training section for trainers working with their clients. Anyway, so he used one of those stepper things. I don't know what you call it, where you step up. Anyway, I had to step up, lift my knee. He gave me a ball, weighted ball. So I had to step up with one foot onto the stepper, lift my knee up, touch the ball to my knee, and then step down. That was one of the things I was doing. And then we did calves. Oh my god, my legs were killing me, and it got my heart rate up, and I'm telling my dad did really well too. This is going to help his balance and stuff. And he did stuff where I had to squeeze a ball between my knees and then stand up to a standing position, and and hold a ball over my head too, and whatever. Oh my God. Anyway, my heart was pumping out of my chest. It was a good workout, and I said to my dad, usually I do cardio when we're done with our workout, and I do like 20 minutes on the elliptical. And I said, I don't think I'm doing that today. But I did. I went up there and I only did 12 minutes. So at least I did that. And we did 20 minutes. I did 20 minutes on the treadmill. Dad did 20 minutes on the stationary bike before our workout. So that, you know, again, that was about almost an hour and a half workout. Whoa, he's kicking butt. And again, I am doing stuff that I didn't think I could do. It was killer. I was about to say, can you lower this stepper? He had 3, you know, you can raise and lower the stepper thing. And he had 3 stacks of whatever you call them. It was, I'm like, yeah, I think that's too high. I didn't say that, but in my head, I'm going, that's too high. And the first set of 10 to step up on it, I'm like, oh my gosh. So I was going to ask him to lower it. And I'm like, no, Michelle, just push through it. You can do it. It's only 10 steps at a time. And then you rest and then do 10 more. You can do it. And I did it. And I did it. So yeah, now I just need to get my butt here on Thursday again, because that didn't happen last week. I need to do that. All right, I'm going. I am starving. I am going to have one of those salads I had the other day that y'all said looked really good, where I put the how do you say that? I don't know how to say it. The olives, they're really good with the tuna and the lettuce and the carrots and cucumber. I am going home to have that. Actually, though, you know what? I gotta stop at Target for some coffee. Yes, we don't have any coffee left, so I'm gonna stop. And half the bottle went sour. I don't know. This has happened before. It tastes. We bought 4 bottles last time, and half of one bottle went sour or something. It just tasted weird. It didn't taste right. So we threw that out. I don't know if maybe I can only buy 2 bottles at a time. I don't. Usually I have the espresso and hubby has the mocha. Anyway, I'm gonna go to Target real quick. There was something else I needed to get at Target. A bin. Oh yeah, I wanted to look for a bin which is probably a mistake I'm starving. It's probably a mistake to go to Target when I'm starving. But maybe I'll pick up, sometimes you can get a little packet where it has like a raw egg in it and some cheese and some grapes. Maybe I'll pick that up while I'm in there. Frankly, I don't care what I look like. You guys, yeah. That does not even bother me. Like, I know I've heard some people talk about how they feel intimidated when they go to the gym. I don't care. Frankly, I don't give a hoot. I got rid of that whole, oh, people are looking at me, I'm too fat, all that kind of stuff. I think when I turned like 40, it might have been 45, I am so over that. I don't even care. And there is plenty of people at the gym that are not. There is not just skinny people at the gym. You gotta look around. Don't be intimidated. And they don't care. Honestly, they do not care. They're got their head in their iPhone watching something, and they're worried about themselves. They do not care what you look like. So don't worry about it. I am so over that. I don't care. I don't care. I just care what my hair looks like. It's gonna happen Wednesday. I'm getting it done on Wednesday, which means no Gary coming over on Wednesday to film a Fix It Friday. That can wait. Anyway, I'm going to Target and then the post office and then home to get something to eat. Okay, I'm back from Target and I forgot to go to the post office. Ridiculousness. So I got another one of these juices that I bought the other day. I really like this one. So I bought that, and I got some wine that my sister recommended when I was having a little anxiety when I was doing all that paperwork. She's like, just have a little glass of wine on before you go to bed. And so she recommended this because wine sometimes gives me a headache, so I'm going to try that. I don't really drink a lot, but maybe that'll help me relax before I go to bed. So I'm not really having a problem now, but I don't know. Maybe I'll sleep better. I feel like I don't sleep good. And I went ahead and got one of these Fresh Works thing for my lettuce. I do like mason jars, but you know, that doesn't really work for lettuce. So I got that for my lettuce, and I like that it's rectangular, so it just fits better in the fridge. If you have too many round things or square things, then you're having stuff behind it, and I'm out of sight, out of mind. So this will fit really good in the fridge. And I did end up buying one of those little snacky things I was talking about to eat. It was just ridiculous price. So I got some cheese, and I think I had 2 cheese sticks. And then I bought some of this natural chicken breast, which I had a craving for lately. I was going to get the boar's head at Publix. But this has no artificial flavors, no gluten, no preservatives, all that kind of stuff. So I had that chicken, and I'm kind of full now though. Chicken and cheese, so I don't know. I'm going to eat, maybe in a little bit I'll have that salad. Some chocolate chips, of course. I needed some magnesium. I needed some dry cat food. I got some bananas. And I got some espresso and some mocha. And I got some chicken thighs for dinner. I'm going to make chicken cacciatore. I will put the link down below. I'm not going to show you the recipe because I already made a video of that a long time ago, so I can put the link down below. And then I picked these up at Target, these little succulents. I really like the way they look. They look pretty real. So those are going on my tablescape in the dining room. Alright guys, I'm going to put this stuff away, go take a shower, go to the post office. Well, I'll probably take a little break for a little bit. Go to the post office, and then go see my mom. I bought my mom some new slippers. I hope they're alright. They always require them to have, you know, what do you call it, on the bottom? They'll have a little, I don't know if that's enough, you know, I don't know what you want to call it, rubber stuff on the bottom of it. But she ain't going anywhere anyway. I don't know why that matters, but, you know, it's a rule. Hopefully they'll approve these. They were like $6 at Dollar General, so they always lose her socks and stuff like that. So I'm going to put her name real big on the bottom of these. And we buy her socks and they just disappear and disappear. And her feet are always cold. I'm just aggravated with that. But in general, they take really good care of her. It is a really nice nursing home. And yeah, I'm not going to complain. So, alright, going to go take a shower and see what else I can do. Okay guys, after my shower, I laid down in the bed and took a nap. So, I guess on Mondays, I can't do anything else. Anyway, so, okay. So, we may have a problem. It's 82 degrees in here, and I have this set on 78. The AC sounded weird when I pulled up from coming back from the gym. So we kind of knew the AC was probably on its last leg. I don't know. So, and Kirby's crying, so not good. I guess I'll be calling AC people tomorrow. Nothing we can do about it right now. Dang it! Alright, the AC turned off because I had to turn it up to 84 to get it to shut off because it's still trying to cool the house. And now I have another problem. Well, not another problem. Same problem with the ants that I showed, I believe it was on Fix It Friday. So, they're still coming in through the bathroom, so I laid down some Spectricide. See if that fixes the problem. When it rains, it pours. Maybe it will pour, actually. Literally. That would be nice if it would rain to cool off the house. This is getting a little warm in there. I know, I'm spoiled. We probably did ourselves in by running the AC too cold recently. But the AC unit is 2004. So it's 14 years old. Yeah, it's time to get a new AC. We've been saving. So, but let's see if they can do a quick fix tomorrow. We shall see. I don't know where hubby is. It's like 7:30 and I need to go back inside and cook dinner. Not that I feel like it, because it's going to be hot in there after I cook. But I don't want to eat out. Been eating out too much, so alright, just deal with it, Michelle. Alright, so I'm making chicken cacciatore, but a little snafu with that. 2, I don't have any. I usually use diced tomatoes, and I don't have any, so we're going to use spaghetti sauce. Yeah, I don't know. And I got half quinoa, half rice in there, like 3/4 cup of quinoa, 3/4 cup of rice. That, and I got some coconut oil. I was looking for, no, I wasn't looking for that. I don't know. So I was thinking I was looking for coconut oil at Target, but no, I was looking for the Primal avocado mayo, but they didn't have it. They had some other mayo, but I wanted the Primal one because the avocado mayo that I found had soy in it. Guys, soy is not good for your thyroid. Look it up. Not good. It's not good for your hormones in general, so just not good for you. Neither is fluoride. Fluoride is not good for your thyroid. Look that up too. Don't take my word for it. Anyway, I'm gonna, as soon as that heats up, I'm gonna start the chicken in there. I'm gonna cut up some veggies and stuff and roast those. Yeah. But I have my recipe for my chicken cacciatore. I'll put it in the description below if I remember. If not, remind me later. I got all the fans running in the house. There's no fan in the dining room. I got the fan in here going. I'm going to get, I believe I have a small, don't I? I thought I had a small fan. What the heck did I do with it? Maybe it's on the Alright, found the fan, but it really needs cleaned up. I cleaned up the best I could, but I'm going to have to take it apart later and clean it really good. Yeah, I'm going to finish making dinner here. Try not to sweat. 8 o'clock and hubby's still not home. So I usually throw the vegetables in the oven and roast them. But I don't want to heat the oven up, so I'm just going to throw them in the pan. They just taste better. I mean, typically with chicken cacciatore, you just throw the vegetables in there, but they just taste better roasted. I cut up the rest of the zucchini and squash. I'm going to put that in the fridge for later this week. Yeah. Okay, I got the kitchen all straightened up, except for dinner. I unloaded the dishwasher, washed the rest of the dishes. I'm going to go. It is almost 8:30. Hubby still isn't home. So I'm going to go straighten up the family room. Kelly's over here sleeping. And I'm going to straighten up this mess. It'll take me like 5 minutes. Alright, hubby finally got home at 9 o'clock. And we're going to have dinner. And I'm going to end this vlog. You want to say hi?
Yo!
And I guess I'm going to be calling AC people tomorrow. And we're going to sweat our butts off tonight sleeping. Alright guys. Until tomorrow. Or maybe not. Because I might be busy tomorrow. Until next time. Enjoy the day.